Start with a new blank map. Use Art Catalog to create a new Chapter 11 folder in Results Geodatabase. Add the Topo 30 meter raster and vegetation feature class from the Sturgis 83 geodatabase in the Black Hills folder of your MGIS data folder. Make sure your Spatial Analyst extension is turned on. Set some of the geoprocessing environments. Set the workspace and scratch pace to your new geodatabase. Set the cell size and processing extent to the same as the Topo 30 meter layer. It's a good idea to save your map document. Keep in mind, we're trying to make a Boolean raster. That means all the pixels are either 1 for true or 0 for false. Adding a new field will help. We can select those polygons that meet our criteria and code that new field as 1 and all the others as 0s. Select by attributes those vegetation polygons where density 96 equals 0 or density 96 equals A and owner equals NFS. Use the field calculator to set our new field value to 0 or to 1 for true. Use the Switch Selection button in the field calculator to set the other polygons to 0 for false. Clear the selected polygons and use the To Raster Data Converter in Arc Toolbox. Set the value field to your new field with the 1s and 0s already established. You now have a Boolean raster for the vegetation criteria. Add the USFS Roads feature class and select by attributes those whose type equal P or type equal S. Use the Elusa Distance tool in the Distance folder of the Spatial Analyst tools. The input layer is the USFS Roads layer. Clear the selected roads using the Clear Selected Features tool. You must reclassify the distance raster to make it a Boolean raster. Use the Reclassify tool in Spatial Analyst. Set the number of classes to 2 and the first breakpoint at 1000. Look carefully at the old and new values and set the new value of those that are true to 1 and the others to 0. Next, we need to generate a slope raster from the Topo 30 meter raster using the Slope tool in the Surface folder of the Spatial Analyst tools. Be sure to develop the slope as degrees. You must reclassify the slope layer to generate a Boolean raster. Use the Reclass tool. The input is your new slope layer, and you will need 2 classes. The first class should break at 10. Look carefully at the old and new values. Set the new value of those that are true to 1 and the others to 0. Now you have 3 Boolean rasters, and we need to determine the areas where all 3 criteria are true. Use the raster calculator. Multiply all 3 Boolean rasters together. The pixels that are 1 met all 3 criteria for our landfill selection. Use the Symbology tab of the layer's properties to remove the 0 symbols. Finally, create a nice map that symbolizes the roads based on type and add all the necessary map elements.